Wait on one table.
About 10 feet from the top on the left side of the tree. You see like a little, like a little horn just looking at us.
Whoever spotted it has good eyes.
Me neither.
Right now it just turned its head. It's looking away from us.
Oh.
See it?
They said his leg counted.
This one doesn't have a zoom, right?
No, it does. That one does.
It just
Got done. That looks archy. Finally, I've been trying to do this for months with the baby. I mean, the mother I got, but oh good.
The baby's in that tree there.
There she goes.